Sean from Aftermarket 4x4 here. Just laying down on the job again. You know me. Not really. Anyway, we're here today to talk to you guys about these beefy Geo-Tracker, Suzuki Sidekick, anything Suzuki really, skid plates. Anybody who's ever gone off-road, you know you need them, you know you want them. These are the best, period. Most clearance, easiest to install. We offer front, we offer transfer case, and we offer gas tank skid plates for almost all Suzuki models, all SUVs. Anyway, today we're going to attempt a front skid plate for a two-door Geo-Tracker in under a minute. It can be done, trust me. These are simple, they're designed simple and very, very strong. Let's get to it. I'll use factory holes, already pre-tapped for M8 by 1.25 thread pitch. They're basically 12mm head bolts. They're really common to Suzukis. Every Suzuki's got them, all over them. Anybody who's worked on a Suzuki knows all you need is a 10mm, if you can find it, a 12mm, a 14mm, a 17mm, and more than likely an occasional 19. But still, there's really nothing to these things. They're great little vehicles. They last forever. We love them. We want you to love them just as much. So please buy our skid plates. Can't go wrong. If I can get this damn bolt in here. Like I said, all these are pre-threaded. Everything's adjustable. Very simple to get to. Some of these cross members unfortunately do get a little tweaked up, which is exactly why I'm having a hard time with this one bolt and why you need the Aftermarket 4x4 kick-ass Under Armour skid plates. That's right. Here we go. Let's put them in. Beautiful green hardware. Used it just so it was visible in the video. Normally it's going to be grade 8 brand new hardware. There it is, boys and girls. She's done. Did you time me? Anyway, these things are available. All your favorite Suzuki retailers have them. Super simple to install. Once these are installed, there isn't normally going to be a gap here. There's only a gap here because I did what we're calling the frame chop, which drops the front of the frame about 2.5 inches. You can go check out one of my other YouTube links, and it'll give you like how to and what I did and some pictures and such. So you won't have that gap. Normally the skid plate's going to tuck up, you know, right behind the factory bumper without an issue. There's that nice pretty green bolt. You'll see you have tons of clearance here for the control arms. They can go through a full suspension cycle. Aftermarket lift kits and control arms also work. Sometimes a little bit of massaging to the underside of the skid plate just to realign it some. There's also some adjustability in the holes. You can kind of see there's a slot up under there, which allows you to be able to move it forward or backward just a little bit. You'll notice like up under here, skid plate fits flush, very flush right up against that cross member. So even if your cross member is mangled, it's gonna be able to protect it, and it's gonna be able to bolt to it. It's not really much of a problem. Yeah, my drive shaft's not installed yet. Has something to do with the V6 swap in this two-door tracker, which is one of my projects that I've been working on for a little while. Also check that out on my YouTube page.